positioning Tesla as a serious contender in this sector. The role of marketing and branding. Musk's personal brand is a powerful tool that Tesla can leverage to promote the Pi phone. The unconventional and often provocative marketing strategies that Musk employs have proven successful in generating buzz and excitement around Tesla's products. Engaging patches and performance enhancements without needing to purchase a new device. This commitment to keeping the phone up to date could enhance user satisfaction and retention over time. As we delve further into the intricacies of Tesla's new Pi phone, it's essential to unpack the implications of its entry into a market dominated by established players. The smartphone industry has evolved significantly over the past decade, with consumer expectations skyrocketing. To understand how Tesla can compete, we need to explore the evolving landscape of consumer preferences and technological advancements. The evolution of consumer expectations. Consumers today are more informed and discerning than ever. The rise of social media and online reviews means that word of mouth can make or break a product in an instant. Buyers expect their devices to be not only functional, but also stylish, user-friendly, and integrated into their daily lives. Features like camera quality, battery life, and software updates have become critical in influencing purchasing decisions. Moreover, consumers are increasingly looking for products that align with their values, such as sustainability and ethical production practices. Engaging storytelling, influencer partnerships, and social media campaigns can create a sense of urgency and exclusivity around the Pi phone. By showcasing its unique features and the lifestyle it promotes, Tesla can cultivate a community of early adopters eager to share their experiences and drive organic growth. User-centric design philosophy. Tesla's approach to product design has always prioritized the user experience. With the Pi phone, we can expect a similar philosophy. User-centric design focuses on creating intuitive interfaces and experiences that resonate with consumers. Tesla's team will likely conduct extensive user research to understand what features and design elements consumers value most. This insight will help shape the Pi phone's design, ensuring it meets the needs and expectations of its target audience. Advanced health and wellness features. As health and wellness become increasingly prioritized by consumers, the Pi phone could capitalize on this trend by incorporating health monitoring features. Imagine a smartphone that tracks vital signs, monitors sleep patterns, or even provides guided meditation sessions. Integrating health features not only enhances the phone's utility, but also positions Tesla as a brand that cares about the well-being of its users. This holistic approach could differentiate the Pi phone from competitors, appealing to health-conscious consumers. Anticipating and overcoming challenges. As Tesla ventures into the smartphone market, it will face several challenges. The competitive landscape is fierce, and consumer loyalty can be difficult to break. Tesla must also navigate supply chain issues, especially given the global context of semiconductor shortages and disruptions. To overcome these challenges, Tesla will need to maintain transparency with its consumers and foster trust. Open communication about production timelines, challenges, and product features can help build a loyal customer base willing to wait for a quality product. One of the most exciting possibilities for the Tesla phone is its integration with Tesla's existing clean energy products, such as solar panels and the Powerwall home battery system. This would allow users to power their phones and other devices using renewable energy, reducing their dependence on fossil fuels and traditional energy grids. Let's imagine a scenario where users have Tesla solar panels installed on their homes. During the day, these panels capture energy from the sun and store it in a Powerwall battery system. The Tesla phone, along with other devices, could then be powered directly by this clean, renewable energy source. Users wouldn't need to rely on traditional electric grids, which are often powered by coal, natural gas, or other environmentally harmful energy sources. This could dramatically reduce the carbon footprint of charging and using smartphones, aligning with the broader goals of environmental sustainability. A push toward wireless charging, Tesla could go a step further by designing a phone that wirelessly charges using solar-powered charging stations or other renewable energy sources. This would fit seamlessly into Tesla's vision of a world powered by clean energy, where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. The ecosystem could also encourage users to adopt energy-efficient behaviors. Imagine a phone that can automatically detect when it is charging during peak energy consumption times, prompting users to shift to off-peak hours when renewable energy is more available. The phone could even alert users when their local energy grid is powered by sustainable sources like wind or solar, encouraging them to charge their devices when their energy use has the lowest environmental impact. By embedding these kinds of features into the Tesla phone ecosystem, Tesla could help to create a new standard for sustainable technology. Other smartphone manufacturers may struggle to keep up, as the Tesla ecosystem's tight integration with clean energy infrastructure would provide users with a level of environmental consciousness and energy independence that has never before been possible with mobile technology. The future of connectivity. Connectivity is a key aspect of modern smartphones, and Tesla is well positioned to innovate in this area. The Pi phone is expected to support advanced connectivity options, including 5G and possibly even satellite communication. With 5G becoming the standard, consumers expect their devices to deliver lightning-fast internet speeds. Additionally, satellite communication could ensure reliable connectivity in remote areas where traditional networks fail. This could be especially appealing to outdoor enthusiasts and travelers who need dependable communication regardless of location. Expanding into software services. While the hardware of the Pi phone is crucial, Tesla could also explore software services to enhance its offering.